Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today we are diving deep into the review and installation of the Project Raco Performance Magisk module. If you are looking to squeeze every bit of power out of your rooted Android device, you are in the right place. This module is a beast, offering wide-ranging support for Snapdragon, Mediatek, Exynos, Kirin, and even UniSoc chipsets. Whether you're a heavy gamer or just want a snappier UI, this project aims to deliver. Before we get into the meat of the module, I have to give you a critical compatibility notice. Do not combine Project Raco with any other performance optimization modules. While some smaller tweaks might play nice, stacking heavy performance mods can cause system instability or bootloops. Always proceed with caution and keep your setup clean for the best results. Now let's take a look at what makes this module stand out. Project Raco isn't just a simple script, it's a comprehensive suite of optimizations. It targets everything from your CPU and GPU behavior to how your RAM and storage handle data. The interface and implementation are clean, ensuring that your hardware is working in harmony rather than fighting against restrictive stock limitations. Ready to boost your device? Let's walk through the installation process. First, ensure your phone is rooted with Magisk. Open the Magisk app and head over to the Module section. Tap on Install from Storage and locate the Project Raco zip file you've downloaded. Select it and Magisk will begin flashing the script. You'll see the terminal window pop up, extracting the files and applying the necessary system patches. Once the process says Done at the bottom, you're halfway there. With the installation finished, it's time for the most important step, the reboot. Simply tap that reboot button at the bottom right. This allows the system to initialize the new kernel tweaks and performance scripts during the boot sequence. It might take a few extra seconds on the first boot as the Dalvik cache optimizes, so don't panic if you see the boot animation for a little longer than usual. Now that we're back at the home screen, let's jump back into the Magisk app. If you head over to the Modules tab, you should see Project Raco listed and active. This confirms the module is properly injected into the system. Seeing it active here means the background daemons are ready to start managing your hardware profiles. So, what exactly is happening under the hood? Project Raco packs some serious features. One of the highlights is the app-based mode control, which lets you switch performance modes depending on which application you are using. You get CPU max lock frequency, which prevents your processor from downclocking during intense gaming sessions, ensuring sustained high frame rates. On the graphics side, we have GPU tweaks and specialized Mali scheduling for those on Mediatek or Exynos chips. The module also includes GED tweaks, that's Game Engine Daemon optimizations, and LMK adjustments to keep your RAM usage efficient without killing background apps too aggressively. It even disables system tracing to remove unnecessary overhead that usually bogs down the operating system. Perhaps the most unique feature is the Anya Disable Thermal Flowstate. This is a Project Raco exclusive add-on that provides an advanced thermal control system. It's designed to manage heat more intelligently, allowing your phone to run faster for longer periods before hitting those dreaded thermal throttles. Combined with the I/O storage tweaks, your device will feel significantly more responsive. That wraps up our look at Project Raco. It's a powerful, all-in-one solution for anyone serious about Android performance. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more root-related content and module reviews. Drop a comment below letting me know which chipset you're running this on and what kind of performance gains you're seeing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.